Hi, I'm Hank. I paraglide in the living and push cars to the limit. What's up guys, welcome back to another one. Today we're just gonna weld things. We did notice a problem, which I'll go ahead and explain after this. But I say let's get started. So as you can see here, the buggy looks kind of sideways, but it's actually kind of center. Our only issue here that happened while we were finding out why this happened is actually a big issue. Oh well, I didn't expect this thing to happen, but I think it's pretty normal because we're moving it up and down. What basically happened is this thing tore apart. See here? Well, if you look on the other side, it's completely connected here. But we still have to maybe go ahead and weld it. Not a big go ahead and weld up, but that's kind of scary and things that we need to know about, because either we didn't weld it that strong that it didn't move, or it has the wrong distribution of weight, which is also possible. So I guess let's go ahead and see. We also here do have an issue where the gearbox here, it's still wobbly and not tightened completely, which we'll fix today. And we moved from using this bar to now using the cable, just to see how things look. Because the bar, the issue is when you go, like, when the back end moves up and down, it will automatically change gear because it's stiff. With the cable, I think there'll be some kind of tension with it. So yeah. What's up guys? So we do have an appointment, I think, to go to, so we've wrapped everything up. Didn't do much today, just the we welded back the side piece, and we also welded here for the chair. And I guess we go back. I don't know, just in case, I don't know if we'll have time after the appointment to work on this, but we'll see. If not, today we do have some disappointing news, but we'll fix that. Don't worry. We are gonna continue on the buggy where we left off, from repairing that joint at the back. And now we figured out there's another problem. A lot of what we did, I think we just spot welded and we forgot about it. So I want to go ahead and fully weld that, such as this turning joint knuckle. It actually came off while we were trying to repair the steering, but no worries, we're just gonna head and fully weld that now and see what else is left. And yeah, so as you see here, this whole rod thing is what came off from welding here to this knuckle. Just simple, easy weld, not a big deal, but it is kind of concerning. Guys, so we did some welds to the joint place for the gearbox. We started off with this L kind of thing. Then we also welded this kind of bracket, not sure what you call them, but like a stopper over here, as well as at the back, just over there. We're just welding, we're just making sure it cools down, and we attach the cables. I did burn my hand a bit, so sorry if the the videos are not as nice, but anymore. But anyway, let's see how far it goes. Hopefully don't have to cut anything again, or weld anything back for now, but we do have a lot of things to do. And let's see where this thing takes us. Alright guys, as you see here, it is getting pretty late. We spent most of it struggling with these two screws. What I did off camera is I welded brackets for the seats to put on. Wasn't sorry if you guys want to see that, but I had to do it real fast. And now the thing we're struggling with, which is taking most of the daylight, was tying the screws back in. I mean the bolts, tying them in, because you have to reach underneath. I've been having some wrist pain, but don't worry. I guess that is it. As you see, seats pretty well. The only issue is the steering wheel is not aligned with that. I'm gonna try drive it like that. We saw that intention. I mean, we saw that coming in as we were tying the steering wheel. Just see how it is for now, and then might do that after. We'll see if things don't look good, we'll change it. Not ideal, but it is what it is. And we are as well going to change the bearing here, just because this one keeps moving. If I look side, I'm not going to do it because it's going to break this whole bush, but this bearing here moves sideways, side and then up and down as well, which is not healthy, especially when you drive and then you go and it turns. So we're probably going to go ahead, maybe in the next video we'll see, and look for what exactly is needed for the but that is all guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, show some support, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.